Exercise 1.3, third sum. A man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service, find his starting salary and his annual increment using matrix inversion method to solve the problem. Before going this problem, once you got like this problem, you can read out twice or thrice and get the clear idea and then move for this problem to solve it. ஒரு தடவைக்கு ரெண்டு தடவை படிச்சு பார்த்துட்டு கிளியரான ஐடியா கிடைச்ச உடனே இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. First, a man is appointed in a job. A man appointed in a job if his salary was rupees 19,800. ஒருத்தர் வந்து ஜாப்ல அப்பாயிண்ட் ஆகுறாரு, அவரோட salary வந்து 19,800. End of first month after 3 years. End of first month after 3 years. 3 years க்கு அப்புறம் end of the first monthல after 3 years க்கு அப்புறம் 19,800 he is receiving. A man is receiving the salary per month ஒரு மாசத்துக்கு. Similarly, after 9 years of service, at the end of the first month, after 9 years of his service, 9 years க்கு அப்புறம் 9 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் 23,400 per month the man is receiving a salary. First to get the idea and then frame the equation and solve the equation and find out the starting salary and annual increment. First I am taking man starting salary be x and annual increment be y. In this question mainly they have given you are not supposed to use the linear equation. Algebra method use பண்ணக்கூடாது. X plus 3y equal to 19,800. X and x cancel பண்ணுது. That is algebra, but they are using matrix inversion method தான் யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு matrix inversion method we want to use it. So by using the matrices, first you can frame the equation x plus after 3 years. Years I am taking as y. So x plus 3y after சொல்றதுனால plus 3y, before சொல்லிருந்தானா minus 3y. So x plus 3y equal to 19,800. Similarly after 9 years, check whether after or before. This is all you must concentrate in the equation. X plus 9y equal to 23,400. The equation can be written as, in the equation எப்படி எழுதுறோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா matrix formula 1 3 1 9. We want to find out the what is x starting salary, y is annual increment. This value only we want to find out. So x, y and then 19,800, 23,400. This is the constant salary value. Now by using the matrix inversion method, what is the formula? Ax equal to b. That is we want to find out the x value means A inverse b. So this is the value for A, this is the value for x, this is the value for b. So x equal to A inverse b. Take this one as first equation and find out. First we want to find out the A inverse. For finding A inverse, what are the things we need? Determinant A and adjoint A. First we want to find out the determinant A. So instead of matrix box, we are using the determinant box. So 1 into 9 is 9, in middle minus 9, 3 into 1 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 is not equal to 0. Then A inverse exists. After finding A inverse exists, what we want to find out? Adjoint A. How should you find out the adjoint A? The leading diagonal, you should interchange the numbers. So 9 will go there, 1 will come there. So 9, 1. Here sign change. Minus 3, minus 1. Already we found determinant A and then adjoint A. Then you can substitute in this formula. A inverse formula is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. A inverse equal to 1 by what is the determinant A value? 6. Adjoint A value 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1. And then you can keep it as it is. Then you substitute in the first equation. What is the first equation? X equal to A inverse B. So x equal to A inverse. What is the A inverse value? This is the A inverse value 1 by 6 of adjoint A. What is the B value? 19,800, 23,400. Using 1. So using 1 means first equation here we are using. Instead of A inverse, we are substituting the A inverse value. Instead of B, we are substituting the B value. Now you can do the matrix multiplication. First row, column. Second row, column. Here only one column is there. row, 2 rows are there. First row, first column. If you multiply 9 into 198, வெறும் நம்பர் மட்டும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா போதும். 198 into 9 ன்னு பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல ரெண்டு ஜீரோ வர ஆன்சர் கூட ரெண்டு ஜீரோ ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் -3 into 234. Two zeros you can add it. So what is the answer you are getting? 9 into 198 means 1782 and then double zero you can add it. Next one, 3 into 23,400, 70,200 you are getting. Next one, second row, first column, 198 into -1 is 1 minus 198 and then 2 zeros should come. Next one is 234 into 1, 234 and then 2 zeros. Now you can subtract these two terms. You will get it as 1,08,000. Next one is you subtract those things, 3,600 and then divide by 6. If you divide by 6, what is the answer? You will get 18,000. If you divide 3,600 by 6, you will get it as 600. So now you go, what you have taken for the x is the starting salary. X is the starting salary. So starting salary is how much? Rupees 18,000. Why? What we have taken? Y is annual increment. So the annual increment is rupees 600. Once again I will tell you. First you want to well versed about the question and then get the clear idea. After getting the clear idea, frame the equation. After framing the equation, you can write it in the matrix form. After finding matrix form, what is the formula to find out the matrix inversion method? Means x equal to A inverse B. So what is the, how should you find out the A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. After finding the A inverse, you can multiply A inverse with this constant B. And then you will get the answer. And then what you have assumed x and y, substitute, you will get the answer for starting salary and annual increment. That's all over.